Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we give you all the details you need to make the best decisions when it comes to your home appliances. Today, we're taking a look at the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum AeroSlim Lithium-ion Cordless Handheld Vacuum Bundle. If you're on the hunt for a vacuum that combines power with portability, this one might just check off a lot of boxes, but let's break it down together. At first glance, the Bissell CleanView strikes a good balance between form and function. It's compact, lightweight, and sleek with a modern design that will easily fit into most spaces. Weighing in at just 10 pounds, this vacuum is built to make cleaning as hassle-free as possible, even in tight or hard-to-reach areas. And while the design might make it look like it's only good for small spaces, the vacuum boasts full-size power. So let's see if that holds up once we start cleaning. This vacuum is equipped with a 2-in-1 crevice tool and dusting brush, both of which conveniently store together with the hand vacuum on the same stand. Everything is right where you need it when it's time to clean, keeping things organized and within reach. For easy maneuvering, it features a quick-release extension wand that helps you clean not only the floors but also above-floor surfaces like shelves and upholstery. Whether you're using it as an upright or handheld vacuum, versatility is key here. Let's talk about performance. This vacuum packs powerful suction in a compact package. The lithium-ion battery provides up to 12 minutes of cordless cleaning power, which might not sound like a lot at first, but for quick cleanups or smaller spaces, it's actually plenty. Whether you're cleaning crumbs off the kitchen counter or tackling dirt on your car interior, that short burst of power is generally enough for the task at hand. The recharge time is pretty typical, taking anywhere from 2.5 to 3.5 hours, so you'll have it ready to go again pretty quickly. When it comes to floor types, the Bissell CleanView does a solid job. It's perfect for picking up debris on hard floors and low-pile carpets. While it's not quite as powerful as some heavy-duty uprights when it comes to deep cleaning thick carpets, it still delivers impressive suction for its size. The edge-to-edge cleaning feature is also a nice touch, helping you clean closer to edges and corners where dust and dirt like to hide. The real test for many of us is how well a vacuum handles pet hair. Bissell's reputation in the pet care space is well known, and this vacuum is no exception. It performs admirably when it comes to collecting pet hair from upholstery and car seats, making it an excellent choice for pet owners looking for a lightweight option to handle their furry friends' messes. Plus, it's worth noting that every purchase of this product helps support the Bissell Pet Foundation, which helps save homeless pets. Now let's get into the real-world usability. One of the first things you'll notice when using this vacuum is how easy it is to handle. The lightweight body and ergonomic design make it comfortable to carry around, and the integrated tool storage is incredibly practical. You won't have to hunt for attachments or waste time switching between different tools. They're all right there when you need them. However, while this vacuum does an excellent job for light to medium cleaning tasks, it's not a beast when it comes to heavy-duty cleaning or long, deep cleans. If you have a large home with a lot of thick carpet, or you need a vacuum that can handle hours of continuous cleaning, this one might not be up to the task. The battery life is limited to 12 minutes, which can feel restrictive during longer sessions. For quick messes or smaller spaces, it's a perfect choice. But if you need more sustained power, you might want to consider something with a longer runtime. Speaking of battery life, the USB charger included in the bundle is a neat touch, making it easy to recharge anywhere. It's convenient, especially if you're traveling or need to charge in your car or office. But be aware, this vacuum's performance does drop off when it's running low on power, particularly in high suction mode. So, while the 12 minutes of cordless freedom is a perk, it's something to keep in mind if you're hoping for a longer clean. In terms of build quality, the Bissell CleanView holds up well for its price range. The plastic doesn't feel premium, but it's sturdy enough for a compact vacuum. The joints and connections are solid, and it's clear that Bissell has put thought into how easy this vacuum is to use. As far as maintenance goes, the dust bin is easy to empty, and the brush roll is straightforward to clean, which is always a plus when you have pet hair to deal with. Now let's talk about value for money. For the price, the Bissell CleanView offers a lot of functionality and versatility, especially if you're in need of a lightweight, easy-to-use vacuum that can handle quick cleanups. It competes well with other vacuums in the same price range, particularly when you consider its suction power, attachments, and pet hair cleaning ability. However, if you're looking for something that can tackle deep cleaning in large homes or multi-floor carpeted spaces, you may want to look into something with more power or longer battery life. When comparing this vacuum to other models, there are a few alternatives that could be of interest. For example, if you're looking for something cordless with more runtime, you might consider the Shark Ion P50, which offers 50 minutes of battery life, but it's a bit bulkier and heavier. Or if you're focused on pet hair removal, you could look into the Dyson V8 Animal, which is cordless and has a longer runtime, though it comes at a higher price point. In terms of value, the Bissell CleanView offers a great balance between affordability and performance for smaller homes, apartments, or anyone who needs a secondary vacuum for quick jobs. All in all, the Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum AeroSlim Bundle is an excellent choice for those who prioritize convenience, lightness, and versatility. It's not the vacuum for heavy-duty deep cleaning, but it handles daily messes, pet hair, and quick cleanups with ease. Its compact design and powerful suction make it a standout in the category of lightweight vacuums. And for the price, it delivers great value. Thanks for watching. You can find the link to get this vacuum in the comments box. If you've already used it, feel free to share your experience below and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews. Goodbye till next time. Keep your floors clean and your pets happy.